Ontario's many cities are experiencing their first winter storm in 2024. The storm hit this evening around 6:30 p.m. I went to dance class at 5:30 p.m. today. The weather was okay, but at 7:30 p.m. it changed to a stormy land. Holy moly, a lot of snow! This storm comes with a high wind at 60 kilometers per hour, making it very hard to see outside. Poor visibility poses a significant challenge, and driving becomes very dangerous in this winter storm. It's going to snow throughout the whole night, and the expected snowfall will be 30 centimeters. The downside is that there's a forecast for rain in the early morning. This means the snow will likely become watery and heavy, making it challenging to shovel. It's better to stay home tonight until the snowstorm ends. Avoid going out until the snowstorm clears tomorrow. I am praying for the safety of people who are out on the roads today, wishing for their safe return home. Stay safe, everyone.
Down the street with your red lips and funky beat, you better hold your head up to the sky. I'm gonna roll with you till the day I die. Swing those hips around, can't stop, roll back down, my ladies, short, tall, thin or wide, always down, ready to ride. Bravery, history, straight as racing straight ahead.